I want to talk about how to make money with AI in 2025, because there's a lot of opportunity coming up, and it has never been easier. And what I want to emphasize is that this is not going to require any coding. It's not going to require any investment. You can do this from anywhere in the world. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share with you an amazing bonus resource for absolutely free that will help get you started. So let us talk about some of the ways you can leverage AI. To start making money in 2025, the first thing you can do is offer AI-powered services to businesses. So many companies are going to be looking to implement AI into their business, and they are going to need people who can help them do it. This could be anything from helping them set up AI-powered chatbots to helping them automate their customer service. There's a lot of different things that you can do here. You could even help small businesses implement AI into their marketing funnels or their sales processes. The opportunities are really endless here, and the businesses are going to be looking for people who can help them implement these solutions quickly and easily. And that's where you come in. The second thing you can do is create and sell AI-driven products. So this could be anything from an AI-powered app to an AI-driven website. For example, you could create a website that uses AI to generate content, or you could create an app that uses AI to personalize the user experience. You could even create an AI-powered tool that helps people with things like writing or design. The possibilities are really endless here, and the best part is that you do and need to be a developer to create these products. There are so many different tools and platforms out there that allow you to create AI-driven products without having to write any code. So definitely look into that. The third way you can make money with AI is by creating AI-generated content. So this could be anything from AI-generated articles to AI-generated videos. Now, obviously, I'm not suggesting that you create low-quality content just for the sake of getting views or making money. The quality of your content is still going to be really important, but AI can definitely help you scale your content creation efforts and reach more people than you could ever do on your own. There are so many different tools out there that can help you with this, from AI writing assistants to AI video generators. So definitely check those out and see how they can help you take your content creation to the next level. And the fourth way you can make money with AI is by trading AI-generated art. So this is a little bit more of a speculative way to make money with AI, but it's definitely possible. There are so many different platforms out there now that allow you to buy and sell AI-generated art. So you could create your own art and sell it on these platforms, or you could even buy low-quality art and sell it for a profit. Definitely do your research, though, before getting into this, and make sure you understand the risks involved. Now, I promised you a bonus, and the bonus is that I want you to go over to a certain website. I want you to sign up for a free account. This is going to give you access to a bunch of different AI tools that you can use to generate content, generate art, and so much more. And the best part is that it's completely free. So definitely check that out and let me know what you think in the comments below. So those are 4 different ways you can make money with AI in 2025. Remember, you don't need to be a developer. You don't need to invest any money to get started. You just need to be willing to learn and put in the effort. If you're willing to do that, then the sky's the limit, and I can't wait to see what you accomplish.